In this video, I'll show you how to fold your rear seats of your Toyota Corolla from 98 to 2002. So to do so, okay, we're here in the back. You're going to notice there's no pin. Usually there's a pin over here that you need to pull up. So let's go on the trunk. So pop the trunk, and by looking on the right and left side, you should see a latch. You see over here, it looks like this. Simply pull on it and it will unlatch the rear seat on that side. On the other side, this latch, usually it's on the top, but over here it fell down. Maybe yours is in the trunk, on the trunk floor. Same thing, pull on it and it will unlock those seats. Now go back inside and you just have to bring them down this way. Same thing with the other one. Just like that. You see, they're not completely flat because of the seat belts. You may have to put them on the side. Okay, so just pass it through this small plastic thing. And for the one on the middle, you just have to pull on it. Okay, just pull a bit more and then bring it on one side like that. It will be out of the way and you'll be able to load much larger item this way. To put back the seats, make sure the seat belts are not in the way, and just by making sure they are staying in place, you will be good to go. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like. See you in the next one.